Hi, I'm Jordan Ostroff with Legalese Marketing, and today we're talking about the right way to end an automation. Specifically, we're going to look at the leads before they book a consult, and we're going to go over some of the different options for automation, but really focusing on the right way to end the automation. So we're using Lawmatics for this. If you look over here at the top under Marketing, Automation, that would take you to the list of automations. Today we're going over our initial lead one. So for example, the stage is lead in our intake pipeline, and that's going to be a series of emails that are the purple ones, delays to get to gray, which are the tasks to call, to get to more emails, to get to red, which is sending text messages, to get to emails, to get to calls, to get to emails, etc. And you can do this repeated ad infinitum as many times as you want to have contact. But here's where I suggest you end all of these on. So our last one is going to send a text message or an email, and really I would focus on the 9 or 10 word email here. So hello, first name, still interested in legal services, period. It could be as simple as 7 words, or book here, call us, whatever it is you want from there. We're doing it as a text message at the end because we found that to be better for our clients who are lawyers. For you, it may be an email. If you do an email, I would intentionally do that last one with no fancy HTML. Don't use the header. Just make it look like a straight email, as simple as possible, as direct as possible, and to the point. Then after that's sent, we have a task that goes out, just done anything with this lead, and it attaches whoever at the firm needs to look at it. So I would end those automated drips with one more final check to your intake person or to you as the attorney, just making sure that there wasn't something wrong with this lead. They didn't send a message earlier about needing a little bit more time, whatever it is along those lines. We're going to give them a couple days for that to have an effect. If not, we're going to change the attribute to lost, and we're going to change the substatus. So what I would suggest for you all, maybe the substatus is never booked a consult, maybe it's lost contact, maybe it's never hired after a consult, whatever actually happened and whatever the reason is for it. For us, we put them in long-term nurture. That's where our leads go. We're not moving them to a new stage. We're leaving them where they are, so that way we can see in the pipeline where we're losing most cases. In this case, if somebody got to here, we would have lost them as a lead that never set a consultation or a call with us. And we're going to move them to long-term nurture if we don't hear from them. If we do and they go straight to lost, then we're not going to change that substatus. They're not going to get the long-term nurture. But that's the way to end all of your drips. There should be the one last check-in, the task to make sure that nothing went wrong, going into lost, and then some sort of substatus update so you have a little bit more data if you want to dive into where you're losing most of your cases. That's how you should have all your automations end. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.